In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a lower ball joint on a Honda CR-V, which is located behind the front wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. This is your ball joint. This is the pin. You need to remove your pin from your nut. That's your pin. Now you need to remove this nut. That nut is a 19mm. That's your nut. Put that off to the side. To remove your ball joint from your knuckle, you can use a tool like this. Hooks around the lower control arm. Take a long pry bar and pull that down. Push your knuckle off to the side. Your 2 nuts are 17mm, and so isn't this bolt. Once those 3 are removed, pull down on your lower control arm and pull your ball joint out. While you have your ball joint out, you want to inspect all these holes, make sure they're not elongated, or if they have any debris in it. Same thing here where the ball joint actually goes into. You can take some spray, clean that out. These all look good. Let's get that new ball joint in. Take your ball joint, pull down on your lower control arm, slide the 2 studs through the holes. Start your nuts by hand. Put your bolt in by hand. Tighten these 3 up. Pull down on your control arm. Align your ball joint into your hole of your knuckle. Push that up through. Tighten that nut. You want to torque these 3, so your 2 nuts and your bolt, at 38 foot-pounds. As you can see, torquing this nut is a real tight fit. If you have a crow's foot, you can torque this down at 50 foot-pounds. If you do not, just make sure it's nice and tight before you put your cotter pin in. When you do tighten that down, you definitely want to have your U-shaped piece that's in your nut lined up with your hole so you can put your cotter pin through. Take your wheel, slide it over your lug nut studs, install your lug nuts by hand. Give those a snug. After you lowered your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds. You want to do that in a star pattern. Make sure after you do any suspension piece, you go and you get a front end alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.